man!
Neighbor!
Who is there?
Neighbor, come.
Which one is neighbor again for hotel? Oh?
You be my neighbor now. I'm in the room 306. You day 5 now.
Oga, I'm not your neighbor. This is an hotel room. You don't know. You have your room and I will tenant.
Oga, you be my neighbor. Okay. Co-lodger, give me towel.
Towel?
Yes, now one bath now. Oh, they not tell you. Now me and you be neighbor. They share towel now. We they share things for this hotel here. I bet you never come before.
How two people could they share towel for hotel? What kind of rubbish is this one now?
Oh God, give me towel now. I just swear.
You don't know. You don't know why it's going on.
Thank you.
This man! So happy with your son. Photo!
Neighbor!
Okay, I'm not your neighbor. Stop disturbing me. I'm not your neighbor.
No, they sharp. Now you get visitor. I don't want to disturb you. So just bring soap, come. Therefore, no disturb you again. So
okay, I should give you soap. In my own hotel room.
Oh God, I tell you before. Now you first me come. So now you they give the things. Now me and you 306, 305. Now we they share things.
Ah, God.
But now this thing soap when they give you nana, you don't finish a nana.
This was how I saw it in my bathroom. I was even wondering maybe somebody used it before.
Oh, wow. Yeah! Hey, this one carry the enjoy. Neighbor.
This man!
Neighbor.
Okay, are you mad? Are you crazy? Are you foolish? Have you gone nuts? What's wrong with you?
You defend privacy. They tell you suit 1.5. You carry on, you defend privacy. Oga, give me shaving stick.
Oh shit! I should give you what?
Shaving stick now, man. Shaving, you don't rub.
I should give you shaving stick.
They cry. Give me shaving stick.
It's a hotel.
Give me shaving stick. I want shave this thing rough. This one. You defend comfort. You go pay 1.5 for suit. Come. Head dinner. How come?
My girlfriend used it now.
You don't know why it's going on.
Carry brown something. Well, no problem, sir.
See, if you knock on this door again, I will not. You not like me.
They don't tell you for reception. They say
if you knock on this door again, you will not like me.
I know Kuku like you before.
I don't tell you, you will not like me.
Leave that. If you like, you cry.
See, I don't even understand.
How will you get off me? Get out! What kind of embarrassment is this? What kind of stupid hotel is this? Big girl like me, you cannot take me to the best hotel in Enugu State. Royal Domain Hotel. That's the best hotel you're supposed to take me to at Nnaji Close. Their services are top notch. Hospitality 100%, security 100%, and privacy guaranteed. Look at the rubbish place you took me to. Not even bed to lie down. You know what? I am leaving. I am going to Royal Domain Hotel, and don't even follow me. You hear me? I'm going.
This man!
Neighbor.
Is he knocking again? Hey!
Oga, are you mad? Are you crazy? Are you stupid? Oga, I will swear for you. It will not be well with you. Everything you are looking for, you will be knocking. I disgrace to your generation.
Far from my room, not the work. So there's somebody I can't join you for here.
Can you join me in my hotel?
Okay, I want sleep now. Far from my room, not the work. Not only your home get far from this hotel.
Jesus!
Privacy for 1.5 suit. 450 naira. Now I pay for my own. This year I no get sense. You define privacy for 1.5 suit. Sit now.
Daniel, sorry.
Who is this?
Oh, sorry.
This man!
So what is this?
I don't know. The hotel said they were supposed to share. That the fan in his room is not working. Don't worry.
They are fit on the fan facing.
Who is that? Receptionist.
How did you get in here?
We get access to everywhere. Okay, this is 2 a.m. now. See my friend, if you don't remove that touch from my eye, I will remove the light.
Oga, no dey speak English. I can't confirm whether you dey retain here or not. So if you know dey retain, you pack out.
2 a.m.
Time don't expire, now 12 your time to expire.
It's supposed to be 24 hours. Which one is this one again?
Other hotel now 24 hours. But this hotel particularly is 12 hours. So are you retaining or not?
Okay, give me POS.
Okay, we know they use POS here.
What do you mean?
Cash and delivery. If you no want, make you come out, I beg, time no day.
Okay, I don't have cash. You wait, I don't have cash.
Okay, no dey speak English, so come out.
I should go out at this night.
Another place don't book this place, pack out.
2 a.m.
Oga, if you want me to come up for this hotel with your body complete, I beg, pack out now.
See why you should have chosen Royal Domain Hotel.
Oga, if you don't remove this touch from my eye, I will swear for you and your family. Idiot.